Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy BB here again, and I am back with another video. So today we have a new phone from New, and it's called the N10. So this is their budget-friendly phone. I have like almost 4 of their phones by now, but this one is something on the budget side, and it's powered by the Media Dimensity chip with 1.6 gigahertz octa-core CPU. If you guys don't know, the Media Dimensity chip is something you'll find in most budget-friendly phones, but they're actually super fast, to be honest. Like, I have like the B30 Pro, and this phone is like speed magnet, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, enough of that. This is actually the device we're going to be testing out today. It has 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is going to like last you for probably like 2 to 3 days, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of SSD, so you're not going to be lacking on that one. And it has a full HD display, 720, and an IPS panel. That's crazy. But yeah, enough of all the talking. Let me get into unboxing. I don't have a knife right now, so I'm just going to find my way around it with my finger. Finally, I did it. Boom. Whoa, why is it black on the box and then white? It comes in this white colorway. Whoa, that's actually, what the hell? Yo, this looks like the iPhone X. Or am I tripping? Bro, I thought it looks like plastic, but it's actually made of aluminum on the side. It's giving that premium vibe, bro. And you know what's crazy? It has an headphone jack, a speaker right up here, 2 speakers on the bottom. And then, bro, do you guys see this, bro? I was not expecting that. I'm not even trying to glaze this company, bro, but this phone looks extremely premium, in my opinion, bro. Damn. Only if this could have like their premium camera. If this aesthetics could match with like maybe the new B30 Pro, that would have been an amazing phone. But yeah, let's see what else we have in the box. So it comes with a charging brick, 10 watts charger, and then a cable. And then you also have the SIM injector tool. We're never gonna forget that, all right? It also comes with a case, because they always like bless us with a case. Boom, I knew it. I knew they never miss on the case. They never miss on the case, but the case kind of make it look dirty though. I'm not going to lie, but in terms of like aesthetics, this looks super premium. Usually they would make their phones with like plastic in the past, but it does feel kind of heavy, I'm not going to lie. And this phone is how big is it? Pause. 6.5 inches. That's how big the phone is. So let me just peel this off. Boom. It also has a screen protector. That is how crazy it is. Bro, in terms of aesthetics, let me show you guys the B30 Pro. This is the B30 Pro, their premium phone. This phone has a 120 hertz on the display. Like, bro, this is an amazing phone. But if they could switch the aesthetics and put all the specs on this into this, it should have been a killer phone. I'm not going to lie. But in terms of like the design, you guys just look that up. You know what I'm saying? That looks good. But let's start up the phone. Okay, powered by Android. Yo, guys, I'm not even kidding, guys. This phone looks like super clean, in my opinion. This phone looks clean. You guys check that out. It looks super clean in my opinion. I'm just going to run through all these things, guys, and then I'm going to be testing out the camera and seeing how fast the display is. You know, all that cool stuff you would expect on a good phone, but the bezels are big, to be honest. I like the aesthetics so far, but I don't know about like, this shouldn't be like, they should have put this design on their premium phone, because this is their budget friendly phone. This one is probably under $100, where it has like thick bezels. Those bezels are super thick. But yeah, let me set this up real quick, and then we're gonna get right into it. It has a biometric on the side, and it's giving that new action button on the iPhone, I'm not going to lie. But it has that titanium look to it. I thought this used to work like right away. Oh, it also has Face ID too. So if I'm setting that up. Bro, the Face ID took like a minute, I'm not going to lie. All right, so we're finally in. This is the N10, and it basically has 90 hertz on the display, which You know what I'm saying? This is how it feels like. 90 hertz is actually a decent display for a budget friendly phone like this one. And it actually feels smooth in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Very, very smooth. I mean, I could see a little bit of lag, but it's 90 hertz, so you wouldn't expect it to be as clean as something you will find on like a 100 hertz or 120 hertz display of a phone. But it's usable. You feel me? It's usable, it's clean, it's smooth. It's a full HD display, 720p. And if I was to like click on a clean video right now, I think this guy makes like some pretty clean video. Okay, so it's a 720p display. So if you're watching your content, you can only max out at 720p. But like I said, this is a budget friendly phone. It's something that you want to get for someone who is not big on all those fancy stuff. But the display still looks clean. You know what I'm saying? Look, it looks clean if you're watching social media. So if you're watching something that's shot on 4K, it will give you the best quality, but narrow it down to 720 on this display, which honestly is still usable in my opinion. But like I said, if you're someone who's looking for something on the budget side, then this is probably a phone you would like to get into. And it's also powered by one of the latest version of Androids, which is Android 14. So you get all the latest updates in terms of like software. Another thing that's very important in terms of like phones like this is the camera. So we have like the unlock button right here, which also serves as a biometric. And if you guys don't know, it also has like Face ID unlock, which Apple's like pretty quick. And then at the bottom, we have 2 speaker sound system. Matter of fact, let me check out the speaker. So what I would say about the speakers is definitely better than the B30 Pro that I tried out like a couple months ago, because that speaker is like terrible. It's better, and they also have like a stereo type of speaker, so it has a speaker at the top and also like 2 speakers at the bottom. So if you're watching something, you get that surround speaker, but at the same time, it's not as good as I still would want it to be. But it's a good thing you have like Bluetooth and wired headphones that you could connect to, which is actually dope. So that's what I can just say about the speaker. Is it usable? Yes, and it has actually improved compared to what they had in their previous phones, which is something I actually complained about in my other videos. But overall, guys, I think in terms of aesthetics, I like this phone. How it feels in the hand, it feels like a modern day smartphone that you could, you know what I'm saying, use and stuff like that. But you know what? Let's go outside, let's take these pictures, let's see how good they feel like and all that good stuff. Let's go, let's get it.
So you got a pass, but I'm knowing.
All right, so just to give you guys a perspective of the cameras, so we have a 13 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 2 megapixel micro full frame camera. That's what they're calling it. I don't know. I'm going to be testing it out. And then the front facing camera is at 5 megapixel. I'm going to be testing it out. But like I said, bro, the phone looks like premium in the hand. But yeah, let me take these pictures and stuff like that. I also noticed the camera has this Pro feature. There's this feature called Pro. So it basically it looks like a camera layout, like an actual camera layout. If you guys could see that, my ND filter is probably not doing justice. So you could like adjust the ISO, you could adjust like the shutter speed, you could adjust like the white balance and stuff like that, which is actually dope. So I don't know why they added that kind of feature to like this kind of phone. And by the way, this phone costs $89, so it's under $100. Bro, I just saw a C6, is that a 663 or C43? Bro, I'm gonna take a picture of that car on my way. Bro, a C43 right behind the Mustang is crazy.
Quiet with all of that fussing. Nothing is good turned out to be easy. So give me the reason, we should rush it. You might wanna play with my heart and say that it's love, it's some in my budget. You trying to tell me the way that you moving is not an ulterior motive. Interior plush, I'm the coldest. I don't blame you for wanting to side with me. Reality bounce back, don't allow that. From the brown grass to the front yard, made it real false. Come real, baby, don't lie to me, just lie with me. I need you to slide with me, come ride with me. I'ma spend time on you, got eyes for you. But it's pride on guard. So I keep my cup full and my trust in us on God.
Okay, so overall, I think it's a good phone in general. Running down the specs again, the displays are 720p, and then it only goes up to 90 hertz, which is actually solid for a budget-friendly phone. If it's lower than 90 hertz, that would have been terrible, you know what I'm saying? But 90 hertz is good. You could play some video games, you could watch social media and stuff like that. It's not too bad. The camera, in the camera aspect, I think taking pictures of the camera is like very, very good, especially when it comes to like natural things like trees and buildings. It was a little bit off when I was taking a picture of like the red Mustang. It looks kind of pink, but I'll try to see it. Maybe it's because the displays are 720p, so I'll try to see it when I get back home and try to edit. But other pictures, in terms of like pictures, it was taking pretty good pictures in my opinion. But the video aspects, again, is 720p, so you really can't expect anything too much. In my opinion, I think it's a good phone in general. And if you guys want to check this phone out, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you guys could check it out. I think it's something that's worth checking out in my opinion. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get it.